One thing that you might notice is that these three lines look pretty similar. It would be great if we could end up drawing this out by doing something like this. We've got these three colors, so we've got red, blue, and green. And it would be great if what we could end up doing is instead of having all this code here, we could draw this out by going over here and saying, hey, look, our HRs are really going to be derived from our colors. And we're going to end up mapping over them to get a color. And once we end up getting in here, again, we can do this on one line. We'll say React create element, and this is going to be an HR. And we'll say the class name is going to be the color. So now we've got these three HRs here. And what we can do, so one of the other things that React lets us do is that React allows us to pass in a collection here. So either we can flatten these out, or we could pass them in as a collection. Now, React recognizes this as a collection. And so if we go and run this, this should work the same way, but we'll get a little bit of a warning message. So React is trying to keep track of the DOM. That's what it's very good at. If you end up giving it elements, it can generate the DOM pretty easily, but it wants to manage that DOM. We're not doing anything at this point to manage it, but it's giving us a warning here because it's saying, hey, look, this is a list. We'd like to recognize each of these. Could you please give us a key? So one of the things we could do here is we could give this a key, and the key that we could end up giving it is just color, because all of these are unique. If we had repeating colors, it would be another story. But here, we could end up making that message go away. So one of the things that's pretty common in any application is dealing with lists, and React is very good at creating lists or collections. Very often you'll end up doing that by mapping over something else, and we can end up mapping over this, taking a collection. React will recognize it. The only caveat is it also wants to have some key, so it can end up managing it better.